Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Strix XG32UCG a 31.5-inch gaming monitor with 4K 160Hz and Full HD 320Hz. So friends, the ASUS ROG Strix XG32UCG is a solid 31.5-inch gaming monitor and that comes with Fast IPS panel delivering sharp, vibrant visual and quite responsive time and quick response time. In the monitor offer two mode, 4K at 160Hz and high resolution gaming and Full HD at 320Hz for gamers. Focus on fast-paced competitive play. Switching between the modes is easy with hotkeys and giving you flexibility depending on the type of game you are playing, and it's built-in serious gaming with a fast 0.3 millisecond response time to reduce lag and ensure smooth gameplay. And the monitor is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, both of the which help prevent screen tearing and shuttering. Plus, it includes ASUS Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync to reduce motion blur, and which can be crucial for competitive FPS games and where clarity during fast movements is key. And there is also some cool AI feature to enhance the gaming experience. Dynamic cursor adjustment in real time depending on the game, while dynamic shadow boost brightness of dark scenes to make easier to spot enemies. And the monitor also offered wide 178-degree viewing angle and making it great for shade gaming season with a 95% of DCI pixel color gamut and 400 cadmium per meter square of peak brightness. And the monitor provide vibrant colors even in bright room, ensuring a great gaming experience from all angles. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.